Hey, welcome to TRON Tutorials. My name is Ajaz Merchant, and today we are going to learn how to buy NFTs on the APENFT Marketplace. Now, to catch everyone up onto speed on what an NFT is, an NFT is simply a digital asset on the blockchain that is unique and it cannot be replaced with something of its own kind. An NFT can be almost anything digital. Think of drawings, music, or gear, vehicles, or weapons in an online game. A good way to think about NFT, which is short for non-fungible tokens, is to relate it to a digital version of baseball or Pokemon cards. The value of those cards within a collection is different from one another. A rookie card of a player or a monster would be of a different value than an evolved version of that same player or monster. So now you're thinking, okay, that's a non-fungible token. What is a fungible token? Well, a fungible token or asset is not unique and can be easily traded because the value of everything in that collection is the same. Meaning one TRON TRX is equally valuable to another one TRON TRX. Now, if you're looking to purchase and sell an NFT, this is a perfect video for you, and that's where we're going to jump into today. In order to interact with a marketplace, you would need a wallet. The wallet we're going to use today is the TRON Link wallet. Mine's right here, and I want to ensure that the wallet and the APENFT Marketplace are integrated. So I would click on this account profile button here. I see that my currencies are being shown. My address for my wallet is here. I can verify that here in my wallet as well. So everything is connected. Now we can explore APENFT Marketplace. So there are two ways to purchase NFTs on the marketplace. You can go to instant buys, or you can go to auction bidding. Now for the auction bidding NFTs, if you find one that you like, you can place a bid here, and then whenever the sale ends, the bidder with the highest bid will win the NFT with however amount of money they put in, just like eBay works. The other way of buying is the buy now option. And that's what we're going to do today to show off how to buy an NFT on the APENFT Marketplace. So there's a couple of filters you can also use. You can use a price filter. If you know the name of your collection, you can do that way. If there's a sale with a certain currency, or if you know your category. So there's different ways of filtering. One way I like to filter is with buy now, and there's also a sort by feature on this platform, and I'm going to just do the price low to high. And let's see if we like a NFT. This one seems pretty cool. Let's try this one. Buy now. Okay. All right. Once you hit buy now, you'll see a UI pop up that just confirms how much the total of the NFT is and how much I have in my balance. As you can tell, I have plenty, so I'll go ahead and click on the terms of service for the APENFT platform. Hit checkout. I'll get a contract UI pop up, which tells me how much TRX this will be worth, the smart contract associated with this transaction, and a fee that will be burned because every transaction needs bandwidth, and if there's not enough bandwidth, TRX will be burned to complete the transaction. So I'll go ahead and hit sign. Transaction has started. As you can see, my trade is successful, and I can check here on my NFTs that here we go. Perfect. Now, if you wanted to sell this NFT, there's a couple of ways of doing that as well. Once you're here, you can hit the sell button, set price or highest bid. Let's do a price of 1 TRX. Hit listing. The same UI for the smart trigger will appear. Alright, so one layer has approved. We're going to do one more sign off. Alright, listing success. And then you know your NFT is ready to be sold. Next video we'll work on how to mint an NFT. Thank you for watching this episode of TRON DAO Tutorials. We hope you were able to learn something new. To learn more about the TRON ecosystem, visit trondao.org or join in on the conversation at forum.trondao.org. Once again, I'm a jobs merchant, and I hope to see you on the next episode of TRON DAO Tutorials.